All right, so real quick, I'm just trying to get my secret sign up URL for my members so they can create their username and password. What I'm trying to do is I want to copy that, right? And then I want to go over here to this other clicks tab right here, and I'm trying to put it right here in this email, right? So I've already opened a new tab though, and I've tested the URL out, and this is where I'm trying to get them to go. Free sign up. So bam. Oh no, that's not the right one. That's not the right one. Wow. This has already got me on the free member. I'm trying to go to the free member sign up. So basically it's gonna be the free member sign up. God, man, this is supposed to be the free member sign up, but I'm already signed in, so that's why it did me like that. If I was a new member though, I know what we're gonna do. This is a preview of it. What I want to do is hit log out. Let me see if it lets me log out. So this is where we wanted them to go, where they can create their account, right? That's why it did me like that. I done already created my account and I done logged in, but that's where I want them to do is go there, right? So when I try to do it like this, when I try to link it, go on and edit it. So if I wanted to grab that link real quick, which is here. Then what I want to do.
Wow, that is so cute.
This link right here. And then paste. And then save. And then preview. Like the email. Click here to create. Look what it does. So I wanted to forward it to those people, to that place, so the people could sign in and create an account.